NYMammoth. Today, I've prepared the anticipated renderings for the Genesis GV70 facelift front profile. I previously unveiled the initial renderings for the GV70 back in July, incorporating spy shots and recent releases of the GV80 and GV80 Coupe for this updated preview. Anticipate minimal differences in the bumper's skid plate and diffuser sections, as the design and detailed features closely align with this latest rendering. Positioned as the Korean Macan within Genesis SUV lineup, the facelifted GV70's exterior design aims to enhance its sporty nature through detailed features and added garnish, maximizing its market appeal. Before delving into the changes in the GV70 facelift's front design, let's address the recent disappointment with the GV80 Coupe's design, which deviated slightly from the concept model. Did you know that the GV80 Coupe's exterior design served as a metaphor for the upcoming GV70 facelift? Let's explore the reasons behind this. Firstly, there's a noticeable change in the crest grille frame shape, which now resembles the GV80 Coupe's frame. Additionally, the mesh grille pattern evolves into a dual-layered architecture, a design featured in the GV80 Coupe's production version, suggesting a consistent application in the GV70 facelift. While the lamp units composing the quad lamps transform into an MLA+DRL combination, the lamp box's shape remains unchanged. Emphasis is placed on enhanced air curtains, air intakes, and the addition of garnish, contributing to the portrayal of a high-performance image. By incorporating a layout and garnish elements akin to Benz AMG models, the GV70 sheds its previous slight dullness, adopting a dynamic layout for an overall elevated finish. Expect changes in the bumper's skid plate and diffuser, resembling the GV80 Coupe's recent design, though slight variations may occur. The 5-spoke tire wheels showcased in the GV80 Coupe concept are expected to make an appearance in the GV70 facelift. Lastly, the recent Genesis emblem, featuring a flatter honeycomb pattern, replaces the current emblem. While major changes aren't anticipated compared to the current model, the addition of detailed parts and garnish creates a more refined image, showcasing the true essence of a premium facelift. So, here you have it, NYMammoth anticipated renderings for the Genesis GV70 facelift front profile. What are your thoughts? If you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.
신차 사는 방법. 여기저기 견적받고 힘들게 발품 팔고
고객님, 제가 진짜 잘해드리는 겁니다.
아직도? 원하는 차량 선택하면 전국 딜러들의 견적을 비교할 수 있어요. 신차, 게으르게 사세요. 카랩.